Lord, salamat nining kautuhon, salamat sa imong pagkamayo, sa imong pagkamatinud-anon dinhi kanamo. Pasaylo kami Ginoong Dios sa among mga kalapasan pagkulang diha kanimo. O panalangini kining pagkauna sa mga tubangan nga kini makahatag dugang kusog kabaskog sa among mga panglawas. Ug usa panalangini ang tibok namong pamilya sa Pilipinas, usab ang pamilya ni My Love ni Hani Ginoong Dios. Salamat o kining tanan akong ginatugyan, ginapasalamatan sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen. Amen. Okay.
Amen.
Show them, honey, when you get the thing.
Okay.
Guys, meron kami, what is this dumpling? Pork
Yeah,
dumpling.
dumpling.
Honey bought it for lunch.
Dumpling.
From, where did you get this one?
Kroger.
From Cougars. Okay, kakain kami ng aming lunch. Mmm. Yummy.
Sushi.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome. Why you throw at me?
Oh. Ginger. I'll show them. So, mga guys. All we need to do, put some ginger on top of the sushi. So this is the right thing. If you want to eat sushi like that.
Or green stuff.
Perfect. I do wonder.
What's it called again, the green stuff?
I forgot. Spicy
Wasabi.
one. Wasabi. I don't like it. Ayoko yun.
You used to like it.
Yeah, but always goes to my nose.
What's wrong with that?
It's hurting me. It hurts my nose. Guys, ano ito? Pangalawang pork dumplings. Thank you, honey.
Welcome. The ginger tastes funny.
It's good.
I don't think so.
Do you know how to use chopstick? No? Then ask honey. So the honey teach you guys how to use chopsticks.
You teach them. I'm eating. It's probably Roy. Probably got a problem.
Thank you.